Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix MT5 Authorization Failed on XM Broker. Alright, let's begin. First, open the MT5 app. When trying to log into your account, you might get the Authorization Failed message. This usually happens because the server is set incorrectly. As I don't have it available in my region, I will walk you through the steps. To fix it, go to your XM account and check the correct server name assigned to your account. For example, your account may be set to XMMT511, but if you select XMMT52 by mistake, the authorization will fail. So here's what to do. On the MT5 login page, locate the server field. Cross-check it with the server name listed in your XM dashboard or the email you received during registration. Once you find the correct one, select it. Then, enter your login credentials, your account number, and password exactly as they were provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces or errors. Finally, click Finish to complete the login. If everything matches, server, account number, and password, your MT5 platform should now connect successfully. So that's basically how you can fix MT5 Authorization Failed on XM Broker. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.